Welcome back to the homestead, guys. We got ourselves a medium-sized failure down here. It's not even medium-sized. It's a small failure. Seems like I lost one of the sides to my firewood rack. I don't know what happened. No, that's a lie. I know exactly what happened. But in my haste, it looks like when building this, I only put one screw in, and the weight of the wood pushed it over and snapped the screw and laid it down. Now, if there's one thing I hate doing, it's doing things twice. Drives me crazy. It's because I obsess so much the first time I do it. But for some reason, I don't know why, I didn't put at least a handful of screws in. I buy them by the 10-pound bucket. So at first I was gonna unload all this wood, offload it off the pallet, put the pallet back up, and then re-screw it back in. Seems like a normal thing to do. I don't like doing things twice. So I have an idea. It didn't fall. Almost. Almost fell. Let's just turn this into a firewood bin. I can move one piece of firewood. That's not going to upset me, and I'm not even going to consider that to be doing double work. Look at this. I could either do it this way, just start over and make 2 new firewood bins, or I can turn it sideways and make it even right across. Huh, the world is mine. Still got a ways to go. Still got a way to fill this up. This rack I'm happy with, but we got all that oak and maple and white oak and trees to get through. Nice and easy solution, and it gives me an excuse fire up the old splitter, and get away from the kids. And use a renewable resource to heat the house. Little problems, little solutions. We when you live in that homestead life, you ain't got time to do all sorts of things over again. Quick one, easy one, quick video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. I've never actually filmed on the phone before. I'm interested to see how this is going to look. Good enough for Buck and Billy Ray. It's good enough for me. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Yeah, what's wrong with the pool? I can't hear you. What? She's in a bad mood at Orion?